Dr. Nisar Kutani, cardio physiotherapist. Dr. Kajal Rathod, naturopathy. Dr. Chandni and Dr. Monica, pain management. Fit Forwards, Mrunal Ved, and many more. LLPF scheme. Donor of rupees 11,000 can become Lions main physio fellow, LLPF. Over 55 donors have become LLPF. Each donor gets benefit under Section 80G of Income Tax Act. Each donor is given a benevolence book of coupons, rupees 5,000, 50 coupons of rupees 100 each. Coupons can be redeemed by patients of donor's choice against services of LPC. Donations welcome eligible under Section 80G of Income Tax Act. So be a part of Lions Club Society of Ahmedabad and get painless life with Lions Physiotherapy Center of Lions Club of Ahmedabad, Maine.
The timings of the center 8 to 1 p.m. and 4 to 7:30, Monday to Saturday. These are our contact details, our mobile number, our email ID, our website, all this in a brochure which I will be distributing to everybody here. Our physio doctors are Dr. Dipen Thakur, who has got the training from Bangalore and has worked for more than 7 years in Ahon Manavandal. Dr. Foram Patel from JG's College of Physiotherapy. Dr. Hima Waghela. This is the starting of the team of doctors who will be taking care of the patients at the Lions Physiotherapy Center. As we have shown in the, we are trying to make this physiotherapy center with a difference and not just like any other pawn shop, as one of our members said. Physiotherapy center to pawn ni dukan jeva hoy chhe, bahut jagah hoy chhe. So we took that as a constructive criticism and started aligning with experts and alliances. So align with Dr. Dipen Patel, who has got his centers in 15 cities and a team of 100 doctors has agreed to align with our Lions Physiotherapy Center. Hetal Desai, Hetal Yoga Center, who has done her training from Iyengar in Pune and has got 7 centers in Ahmedabad, has agreed to become a part of this on a visiting basis. Orist nutritionist Dr. Riddhi Nanda, whose consultation has benefited me and Milan Bhai Dalal both, and she has agreed to be a part of this center. Dr. Nisar Kothari, cardio physiotherapist. Kajal Rathod, our member. Dr. Chandni and Dr. Monica, who are experts in pain management. Fit Formans is a unique gym at next to AMA, and one of the costliest gym. Mrunal Ved has agreed to guide us in our effort, and Dr. Hiren Patel, renowned ortho and sports physio, who is associated with many of the sports personalities in India, and this is the beginning. We are going to align with more and more people. Many of them have come here, so if they are there, I would request them to stand up in their place. Ethel, Dr. Riddhi, Dr. Nisar, Dr. Kajal, Dr. Chandni, Dr. Hiren Patel. These are some of these personalities who have agreed to help us in our vision, our mission, and also to take us forward in our effort to serve this society. We have received messages from many dignitaries, including Dr. Bharat Bhagat, Dr. Praveen Kant Dave, Dr. Yogesh Dave, Bharat Chajat, Narendra Patel, Deepak Trivedi, and many other dignitaries from Lions and outside. These are some of the permanent projects which are on our drawing board. Whenever I used to talk, Rajesh bhai used to tell me, "Pehla ek project to kar, પછી બીજાની વાત કરજે, એક તો કર." કારણ કે એમને હતું કે બહુ વર્ષે અમારે ત્યાં પાણું બંધાયું છે. આ પરમેનન્ટ પ્રોજેક્ટ ઘણા વર્ષો પછી અમે કરીએ છીએ. તો હવે now Rajesh bhai that we have successfully done one project. First thing is, let us now look at solar rooftop on the Lions Hall, which can reduce the electricity cost. We are also looking at an electric wheelchair which can move up and down the chairs for anybody who is immobilized. Freezer for dead body, which Rajesh we talked about. Then there is one unique project which I am trying to study, which is happening in Maharashtra, is paramedical on bikes in the city of Ahmedabad. In Maharashtra, especially in Bombay, there are 18 paramedical people who move around in bikes who supplement the efforts of 108. As we know that in most of the cities, the roads are congested, especially during traffic time. So whenever anybody launches a phone call on 108 side, these paramedical people move on the bike and reach within 5 to 10 minutes. They are all located at different places and they are trained for 15 days in giving first aid and other paramedical treatment. This is another vision of Milan Bhai to have mobile health van, which will do checkups in different parts of the state of Gujarat. We are also looking at a dental clinic where our past president Dr. Gautam Badhan is working on that. We have a vision clinic at Vaikunth Dham. Again, we are looking at a vision clinic. Then there is another project of sanitary napkins for underprivileged women. There are 36 crores women in this country who do not have sanitation facilities, and there are many organizations who have come forward to provide sanitary napkins, which improves the health and hygiene of underprivileged women. And one more project which I am trying to work is bringing entrepreneurs of women in slums. One of my friend Gautam Bhai Shah, I think he is there, who Gautam Bhai Shah, he conducts classes for the students of slum children in Gulbai Tikra. 110 students for the last 4 years with the help of teachers and LD engineering student volunteers. And he has given me this idea of doing something by creating entrepreneurs out of these slum women so that they become self-reliant. Some of our LMPF, Rohit Bhai, Dilip Bhai, Rajesh Shah, Milan Dalal, Pinky Dalal, the list goes on. Today we have completed 60 LMPF and this is the beginning. When we started this scheme of LMPF, I put a goal of 50 LMPF by 31st December 2018. And today we have already reached 60 LMPF. This is the latest update. And we hope that more and more people will join. We are taking 11,000 rupees only, not 1 rupee more from anybody. We give ATG benefit. We give a coupon book of 5,000 rupees, which they can give to the patients of their choice who can avail these services at this. Our special thanks to Lion Rohit Bhai Mehta, past international president, for his message and motivation. Our trustees of Lions Club Society of Ahmedabad and our man of the match, Lion Kanak Desai, who is the backbone of the project. Without their inspiration, motivation, involvement and implementation, this project would not have been completed in the time frame. There are many people who came 7 days back and they said, now inauguration to share, but project kyare chalu karoge. So I am happy to say today is the day when the project starts. After this ceremony, we can all go down and have a look at the physiotherapy center. Thank you, keep calm, because this is just the beginning of our endeavor and our journey of serving the society. Thank you very much. I would now request our senior trustee, Lion Bhalabhai Patel, to offer his blessings.